Hey there, my friends. It's Denise Lenato from the Janet Passio team at Weikert Realtors in Washington Township. Hey, we haven't been posting a lot because we've been really busy. It's January, so it's not normally totally so busy norming this period, but we have a lot of new listings, a lot of buyers. It's been really busy. I do have two open houses I want to talk to you about. My first one's at 460 Francis. That's in West Deptford, New Jersey. The list price is $164,900. I'm going to be there on Saturday from 10 to 12. And then on Sunday, I'm going to be at 709 Weatherby Drive in Woodbury, New Jersey. I'm going to be there from Sunday from 11 to 1, and that is listed for $275,000. That is a 3-bed, 2 full bath, and 1 half bath. The one in West Deptford is 3 beds and 1 bath. So give me a call if you have any questions at 215-360-2592. Otherwise, come see me at the open houses. I'd love to see you and say hello. Thanks.